If you want to shoot better B-roll, check this video out. What's up everyone, my name is Cracka. Welcome back to Cracka TV. Today, I'm in the Detroit airport. I'm headed to Atlanta. I'm gonna do something cool today. We're gonna do a airport B-roll challenge. I'm gonna walk you through the steps that I'm doing and how I'm capturing the B-roll. So if you wanna shoot better B-roll, check this video out. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and the bell to be notified for future uploads. On this channel, I post vlogs, beat making videos, and also helpful tips and tutorial videos such as like this. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna show you what I put together, and I'm calling this, this is a participation type of thing, right? It is the hashtag airport B-roll challenge. Hashtag airport B-roll challenge. Directors out there, let's have some fun with this, right? Post your hashtag airport B-roll challenge and tag me on Instagram at Cracka_lack. Be sure to include the hashtag. But yeah, first I'm gonna show you guys what I put together, and then I'm gonna walk you through kind of the behind the scenes of how I put it together. And I'm also gonna give you guys 3 helpful tips on how you can do better B-roll. All right, so the first and most important tip is having your camera settings right. So you want to make sure that you got it in either 60 frames per second with the shutter speed of at least 120 or higher, or 120 frames per second with a shutter speed of at least 250 and up. One, you got to have your camera settings right. Right now I'm filming in 120 frames per second, and I got my shutter speed at 250. You want it to be at least double your frames, and then also add some sort of movement. Get it in focus, and then I'm gonna do some sort of like twist, or like you can move to the left or you can move to the right. Just really steady. Got it. All right, I'm gonna get these little leaves. I'm on a manual focus. People are walking by in the background. It looks really cool. And then the second is always adding some sort of movement. So as you've seen, I've been doing some sort of like moving to the left, or I twist the camera, or I move in, or I pull up, or adding some sort of movement with your shot. Right now we're really just walking around trying to find some more angles and shots. I'm thinking like when you think airport, we definitely got to get some of the planes outside. Hopefully it'd be really dope to get a plane taking off or a plane landing. Obviously all the gates and the airport signs. Got to get some more footage and shots. How I say add movement with the actual camera. Sometimes I like to do, if you're filming a moving subject, like how these vehicles out here are moving around, I'll just set the camera still, or I'll put something in front of it. Like this would be considered a reveal shot, some shit like that, where you have the camera, this is in the way, and then you reveal what you're filming. Like that. Shout out to Malik, he's the man behind the camera. I was just telling Malik, I like getting on the escalator. It's like a cheat code because we're moving, and so all you have to do is just point the camera and hit record, and you got a moving shot. It looks fire. Look at that. Sweet. I would say the third tip is using some sort of transition. So in some of the clips, when I finish filming the shot, I move the camera to the left real quick, and then the next shot, I got it exactly in focus how I wanted to, and then I moved the camera off to the right so I could whip it in. So then when you fade them, you know, it goes from whipping to the left into the next shot. The same thing, you can go down, up, left, right, but adding some sort of movement to go into the next shot. 2 things. One, it takes some big kahunas to pull out these cameras in the middle of the airport. I was telling Malik, normally I'd be too introverted and I'd be like, it's a really good idea, but no. But today we said, F that shit. This is gonna be a really good trip to Atlanta. If you guys are not already, subscribe so that way you can be notified for when the Atlanta vlog drops. It's gonna be fire. Also 2, we're in the Detroit airport. I just seen these like light pillar columns hanging. So I'm about to get some more of this. I'm gonna get some footage of maybe some of the restaurant stuff. And then that should be about enough content for what I need. Hey man, this is cool. This is cool. I'm proud of myself for doing this, all right? I was gonna be a chicken shit and back out. But yeah, this is just utilizing the resources you have. You know, we're in the airport for the first time in forever. Those of you that know me know I'm known for being late or missing flights and shit. We got here about 2 hours early, so I'm like, all right, I'm here, we got the camera. It was Malik's idea, why don't you do like an airport B-roll challenge? So that's what we did. I'm happy with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, tag your Instagrams. Also share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future uploads. Cracka TV. We out.